welcome back to another Crewmaker channel video, guys. In that video today, guys, we'll be on the quest to kill the Ender Dragon series. So yeah, guys, get away. And what are you riding? How are you so tall? Whatever, no answer. But guys, yeah, I was just farming in my little house here, and all of a sudden this guy came up with this wagon, and yeah, his horses kind of broke down, so he gave it to us, and luckily, seriously, and luckily, guys, we had saddles and everything. So yeah, guys, we both have 2 awesome horses. So yeah, guys, thank you. That merchant dude, he's right here. Merchant.
Hey, Paul. Look at the roof.
Yeah, he's pretty up. Oh my God, his horses jump pretty high. Compared to other horses. So yeah, guys, he also has traits. Not these traits, guys. These traits don't really matter, but these traits inside the chest. So this is a diamond for 2 ender eyes, which will help us out tremendously. Put that diamond back. There we go. 2 blocks of gold for 8 slime spawn eggs. And that's very, very helpful. And an ender pearl for a diamond, which is pretty good as well, because that we traded an ender pearl for a diamond, and then we get the 2 ender eyes for another diamond. And 5 redstone for 32 arrows, which is pretty good. So thank you, sir. Thank you. And yeah, guys, I'm feeling lucky today. I'm gonna go mine in a hole I found, and hopefully, guys, stumble upon some diamonds, because I just don't want to trade in my ender pearls for just like, you know, I could mess around with the ender pearls, do some fun games with them. So I would rather find diamonds raw, like in a kind of cave. So yeah, guys, I will lead the way. I think this is the hole. I saw the last episode, guys, and I think you know what? This is gonna be a big risk, guys, but I'm gonna dig straight down. Hopefully, it doesn't punish me. Hopefully, it helps me in this. Just hopefully, I'm crossing my fingers. Oh God. Now we go up here, down here, not mining up. Almost there, guys. I think we should be at around diamond level right around now. Oh yeah, we're definitely close. So yeah, Ninja Self, where are you?
Hiding out in the house. This is nighttime.
You're not helping? Oh wait, I hear lava and water. I'm kind of scared. Oh God. Ah! Ah! No! No! Okay, wait. Oh man, that was so bad. That water almost carried me into. Sorry, guys. So excited that I found diamonds. Oh my God. Oh.
Diamonds?
Oh. Oh God! Oh, I was so excited. I almost coughed to death. Oh God! But yeah, oh my God! Look at that! 7 diamonds. 7 diamonds, guys. So yeah, that's pretty impressive. I like this. I like this now.
That's enough.
That's enough. Yeah, for 2 diamonds. For 2 diamond pickaxes. Oh, and guys, I can also make
Oh my God.
Oh my God. I'm making buckets so we could.
I have 3 diamonds for you. A spare couple.
Yeah, hold on. I'm getting buckets so we could get water and get obsidian so we could go to the Nether, because
Yeah, get some diamonds.
Yeah. Oh, and by the way, we could start digging from here too. Okay, here. I'll craft you a diamond pickaxe. I see
Get
him.
away, iron pick. I don't need you anymore.
There we go. We have a diamond to spare, and there's your diamond pickaxe.
Look at that beauty.
And just start mining there. Don't dig straight down because there's lava underneath. So just wait for it and then place a block of stone underneath that or something. Whatever type of block. Oh no, they don't. Okay, just be careful though. Be careful. But yeah, guys.
Maybe you should put down the rest of that wall.
Why?
I said maybe you should put down the rest of that water to get rid of the rest of the lava.
Well, maybe, but like, I don't think this is as much as we need. We only need like 8.
Well, only there's 8 diamonds until we can make an enchantment table.
No, we need 4 diamonds. So we need 3 more diamonds to make an enchantment table, and that's gonna help a lot, guys, because we all have lots of levels. And yeah, to get stuff on our like pickaxes, like efficiency would be awesome.
Or fortune.
Yeah, fortune probably will be better. They have mods like that have like fortune 1000, and like they only have one use. And like if you mine diamonds with that, like you get like a stack of diamonds. So it's pretty good. It's pretty good.
You stole my obsidian there, buddy.
Well, you ran in front of me while I was mining.
How many obsidian do you have?
I have 8 right now.
I have 6, so you take these.
I think we should start. We should start heading up.
I'm gonna do a little strip mine real quick, right down here, since we're at this level.
Okay. There's not much.
You can go up.
Okay, I'll start making the portal. Oh, do you have flint at all? Ninja Stuff, do you have flint?
Huh?
Do you have flint?
Do I have flint?
Yeah.
No, we can get that from gravel.
I'll see if when I'm piling up, I'll see if there's anything. There we go. I made it to the top again.
Oh, here's another lava pool. One for anything in here.
Oh, that was so good.
Oh, it's a cave system.
Oh wow,
That
nice.
diamond. Oh, that's redstone there.
You should get some redstone. That could be useful. You could get the arrows.
Water. Hey, can you give me that bucket with the water?
No, I'm already up.
Oh boy.
I could just teleport you. Do you want me to teleport you?
No, don't teleport me because I'm right here. I'm getting to this end of the cave over here.
Just tell me when you want teleported. Because it's nighttime up here right now, so. You know what? I'm gonna go look for Enderman, so, you know.
Oh boy, this is scary.
Oh god, I'm out of arrows. Okay.
Oh my god, there's a lot of stuff down here. Holy crap. It's redstone. I don't know if I want redstone right now. Any diamond? Any diamond around? A huge cave system.
Come on. Okay, die. Now it's looking pretty good. I was actually thinking of building not end portal. What is it called, guys? Help us get put the nether portal in there, so it would look more cool and everything. So maybe we could do that. And yeah, guys, I think we lost connection with Ninja Stealth, but I'll call him back. Hopefully he answers. Come on. Die. Hopefully he answers. There we go.
So I didn't get the first one.
Sorry we lost him, guys. Not supposed to happen.
Oh, I found more diamonds.
You did? You did?
Yes, I did.
Nice.
I got him. Oh, there's lapis right above him.
I'm just beasting these spiders right now. Oh wait, I'm gonna try to get a music disc here. Oh, I might get one! I might get a music disc!
Come on, water.
Come on. Punch the creeper back. You know what? I should just get over here now. Come on, no. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Come on, creepers. Creepers. I want to
Oh,
get...
speaking of creepers. Oh my god.
What?
Oh my god. Get away. Don't blow up my diamonds, you.
Oh man, the creeper's not
Back
buying it.
off.
Wait,
Back off.
I could probably hit...
I got it. Oh.
Get in there.
Oh, good batch of diamonds.
No! Oh!
Any more?
I blew up.
Alright, I think I'm ready to come back up. Wait, never mind, hold on. It's lapis over here.
The creeper blew me up. The skeleton shot me right into the creeper, but yeah, that was the creeper that had really low hearts. Come on.
Oh, how many diamonds? I got 5 diamonds. Got 5 of the diamond almonds.
Come on, are you serious? No! So close. Stupid skeleton.
It's thundering outside and it's frightful. But it's so delightful.
No, but the squids are so delightful. The
Okay.
weather, I don't know.
Disgrace to humankind. What's the matter with you?
Okay, now, or
Now I can make.
should we just, okay, what I'll do for now is, just, you know,
Let's build a.
no, we'll build a room. Sorry, guys, we'll build, like, a room for the end portal. I mean, not end portal, what is it called?
Nether portal. Nether portal.
Nether portal, and yeah, we'll build a room for it, not a treehouse. A treehouse.
Flint.
Oh yeah, do you have any gravel?
I'm gonna go find some.
Okay. Quest for gravel.
Take me 3 days. Oh, look at that, right outside our door. Basically. Oh boy. Really? How long is it gonna take for me to get a piece of flint?
Where are you?
Over here by the river. Oh, there's a piece of flint. Yay. I got a piece of flint.
Nice.
Oh, there's a bunch of pieces of flint.
I'm gonna go make my thing right now. So a flint and steel.
Oh my god. your daddy wants to talk to you.
So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go make an end portal and everything like that. So yeah, I think Ninja Stealth is still getting some flint. I don't know why, but we're gonna go do it. Yes, there we go, guys, and into the portal we go. Here we go. Here we go. I'm sorry, guys. Sorry, I'm coughing. But yeah, here we are. Download the terrain faster, computer. Come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, there we go. Becky, attack. Come on. Where are we? Come on. There we go. Here we are, guys, in the Nether. And yeah, look, not many good things here. But yeah, I guess he's digging deeper now. Ninja Stealth's digging deeper. Oh man, come on, don't glitch. There we go. There's Ninja Stealth. Come on. Don't lag me. Don't lag me. Oh! Okay, there we go. There we go. Nether quartz. Let's see now. Now we could go up here maybe. Want to get some glowstone, I guess. Let me pick up something. Okay, there we go. Hold on, guys. I will be. Wait, no. What do I need here? Hold on. Let's see. What do we need?
I shall be right back.
Okay. So I'm back. Did not. Okay, there we go. Hut. I'm scared. Oh, glowstone, guys, glowstone. Oh, of course it's right above lava. Okay, let's make a 2-block thing. Don't want to die. Even though I have keep inventory on, do not want to die. Especially from this. So yeah, gonna get some glowstone. Let me break it.
Sweet.
It's lagging me terribly in this. There we go, never mind. Oh god, okay,
I hope we can find another fortress.
yeah, that would be nice. I got it. Come on, let me pick stuff up. Okay, let's get this one. There we go. I think that's good enough for now, guys. Don't punch him. I think we should we stay, should we just like head back or something, or like, because the only way we're gonna find blazes are like when we find another fortress, so
Yeah.
which is always a problem. which is always a problem. Let's see, what should I get rid of? I don't need leaves. Come on. Oh, okay. Sorry guys if you can hear the talking in the background.
I want to hit those piggies.
You don't, because it's gonna come after me then, as well. Once they kill you. Well, you could attack them, I guess. Why not? Because we're not gonna lose our stuff. Come on. There we go.
No, I'm not even trying to go out.
I'm gonna go through the proper way. I'm gonna go through the portal.
I couldn't see what I was doing, so. Oh, it rained.
Oh god, what happened? Okay, you know what? It's taking me forever to get up there, so. Sorry guys, it's in a way cheating, but hopefully you guys don't count it as cheating. Oh, I thought you meant it raining in real life, but it's actually raining here. Okay. Slash, there we go. And I think we should do some trading with this merchant guy, shouldn't we?
Maybe.
So, I do have a diamond.
I do have 5 diamonds.
What I'm gonna do is trade in the ender pearls for the diamonds. Because... Gonna make a diamond helmet?
Yeah, I think that's something to do. Oh. Is that how you think
I don't know.
I mean, what else gonna use? What else gonna use it for? An axe?
Yeah, I guess.
Sword.
Well, you could probably. I would probably make I don't know, whatever you want to do. Okay. I'm gonna go into creative, guys, and get myself 3 diamonds.
I don't know. Should I make a sword, or a sword and an axe, or an axe would really help? I'm making a sword and an axe because I already have enough of that protection.
True. My armor's breaking like really fast right now. I already lost my helmet, so I got 4 diamonds now, and I'm gonna make a sword. So what are you making? You're making a
Axe and a sword.
axe and a sword. Okay, not bad.
Say goodbye to Ninja Stealth's pick attack.
Oh, thanks.
I'm just kidding. I'm kidding.
No, it's fine. No, you could burn it in lava. I don't really care. As long as you got a sword, I don't care.
You could go burn it in lava. Well, you're very enthusiastic.
No, I'm serious. You could. But
I might go cut down some new trees. Cut down some trees with my new axe.
so yeah, guys. I think we're gonna build like around like a cool little building for this. So like if mobs enter, they won't be able to get like very far at least. So yeah. And how much were the slimes? What were they? I forget what they were. What were the trade for the slime ball? For the slimes? Oh, 2 blocks of gold. You could actually do that, can't you?
I can do that right. Yeah, I can do that.
Yeah, that would be cool.
Should I?
I don't know, but like slime balls.
I can get 70 leads.
Slime balls could only be used for leads.
They can use it for sticky pistons, leads, slime. Oh, slime blocks. then they can bounce and stuff. Those are very useful.
You can't get slime blocks on it in this, I don't think.
Yeah, you can.
I don't know.
They're on. Look, I'll do it right now. I'll get some gold blocks.
2 gold blocks for, what is it called? Slimes. Just checking out our old house if we have anything. You know what? I'm gonna actually start like I'm gonna actually. Oh God, so sorry guys. I'm actually gonna maybe start our own kind of shop, maybe like a food area, or make like an outer farm area, so we're not like our farm is not like in our house.
So I go in creative to get the stuff?
What you do is you get the 2 blocks of gold. You sorry guys, you craft the 2 blocks of gold.
You get rid of them.
No, you put them in the chest. So you so we showed we got it, and then you get the stuff from creative.
Alright. How many is it? Is it 10 slime things?
8.
What?
Now guys, it's 8. It's 8.
8?
8.
Yeah. Alright.
Let's go to sleep first, and then we can fight the slimes in the morning.
Yes.
And that, guys, will be basically the end of this episode. And hopefully you guys enjoyed. So, yeah. Ha ha! That's snore. Snore. Ha 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 ha. I've been trying to get that in so many times, but it didn't work.
I started before I got into the bed. Alright, we're gonna spawn 1 in. Oh, it's a little weak one. Got 1. That's mine. Hey, give it to me.
You have it.
Oh my God, it's a big one.
Come on, drop some big balls. Got 5 slime balls.
There's another.
Seriously?
Another one. Give it to all slime balls. Give me all. Oh.
Oh God! Come on.
Oh, sorry, I didn't hit you.
You hit me. I mean, I hit you, so. Yeah.
I thought I hit you too. One last big one.
Oh! Come on. Drop some balls.
Okay, take one. Alrighty, one more.
Oh my God. That's it?
Nope. Give me all this.
I got 14.
Give me all the slime balls.
I gave you them.
I got 30. Oh, you did?
I gave you the 14. I gave you the 14.
Okay.
So,
How do you make a lead here? Yeah.
I don't know. We'll have to look that up. So, yeah, guys, hashtag pro skills on Minecraft. Hope you guys enjoyed this Minecraft video, and we will see you guys all later. Bye! Bye, 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 bye.